Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Cash App won't let you verify your identity. So Cash App will ask you to verify your identity sometimes, and you will basically need to provide information to complete this. You can simply do it through the app itself, but if you do face any issues completing this process, then the only thing you can basically do is to contact their customer support as they have confirmed on their official website. You can choose how to contact customer support, so you can basically choose to contact them through the app itself. So you can do that by tapping on the profile icon in Cash App and then simply select support and then select start a chat and send a message explaining to them that you cannot really verify your identity, and you can go from there. They will be able to help you and advise you what you need to do next. If you do prefer to call them instead of chatting with them, you can also use the contact number they have provided on their official website. So you can call them, explain to them that you cannot really complete the verification, and they can advise you on what to do. Super easy and simple.